Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we are going to learn how to write a professional business proposal. This is a formal document used to present your services or project ideas to a client in a clear, persuasive and professional way. It is very important because it helps you win business, build credibility, and clearly outline expectations from the start. Now let's break down each part of the proposal step by step, following the exact structure, and I'll show you what to write and why it matters. Check this out. Sender information. This is the first part of your proposal, where you introduce yourself or your company. You should include your full name, company name, full address, email, and phone number. This makes your proposal look professional and gives the client clear ways to contact you. From a business perspective, this builds trust and shows that you are a legitimate and established service provider. For example, John Carter, Carter Solutions, LLC, 2458 Maple Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90001. john.carter@email.com, 2135557890. Date. For example, May 25th, 2026. After your contact details, you include the date when the proposal is written. This is important because proposals often have validity periods and timelines. The date helps both parties track when the offer was made and ensures everything stays aligned, especially if negotiations take time. Recipient information. Here, you write the client's full name and company details. This ensures your proposal is clearly directed to the right person or organization. It also adds a personal touch, which makes your proposal feel tailored rather than generic, increasing your chances of getting accepted. For example, Emily Rodriguez, Bright Future Marketing Inc., 890 Sunset Boulevard, Miami, Florida 33101. Subject line. The subject line clearly states what the proposal is about. This is important because it immediately tells the client the purpose of the document. A clear subject line keeps everything professional and easy to reference, especially in business communication. For example, subject, business proposal for digital marketing campaign. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. Always address the client by their name if possible. This shows professionalism and respect, and it helps create a more personalized connection right from the beginning. For example, Dear Emily Rodriguez. Opening paragraph. In this opening paragraph, you introduce your proposal and set a positive tone. This part is important because it creates the first impression. You clearly state what you are offering and show enthusiasm. It also reassures the client that your focus is on helping them achieve their goals. For example, we are pleased to present this proposal for a comprehensive digital marketing campaign. At Carter Solutions LLC, we are committed to delivering high-quality solutions that align with your objectives and contribute to your business success. Company background. Here, you explain who you are and why you are qualified. This section builds credibility. You highlight your experience, expertise, and past success. From a business standpoint, this is where you convince the client that you are capable of delivering results. For example, Carter Solutions, LLC, is a full-service digital marketing agency with over 8 years of experience in SEO, social media management, and online advertising. We have successfully supported clients in the e-commerce and retail industries, helping them increase online visibility and drive measurable sales growth. Client needs. In this paragraph, you show that you understand the client's problem. This is very important because clients want to feel understood. By clearly stating their challenges and the possible consequences, you position yourself as someone who truly understands their needs. For example, we understand that your company is currently facing challenges in reaching your target audience online. This situation can impact brand visibility and revenue growth, which is why a well-planned and effective marketing strategy is essential. Proposed solution. Here you explain your solution. This is one of the most important parts of the proposal. You clearly describe what you will do and how it will help solve the client's problem. It shows your value and gives the client confidence in your approach. For example, to address this, we propose a targeted digital marketing strategy that focuses on increasing brand awareness and customer engagement. Our approach includes key steps such as social media advertising, search engine optimization, and content marketing, ensuring that the campaign delivers meaningful and sustainable results. Scope of work. In this section, you describe what exactly is included in the project. This is important because it sets clear expectations. It helps avoid misunderstandings later by clearly defining what services you will provide. For example, the scope of this project includes developing and managing social media campaigns, optimizing website content for search engines, and creating monthly performance reports. The work will be carried out in accordance with agreed timelines and professional standards. Timeline. Here you explain how long the project will take. This gives the client a clear idea of when results can be expected. It also shows that you are organized and have a structured plan. For example, the estimated timeline for completion is 3 months, with key milestones including campaign setup in the first 2 weeks and performance evaluation at the end of each month. We will ensure consistent communication throughout the project. Pricing and payment terms. In this section, you clearly state the cost and how payments will be handled. This is crucial because it avoids confusion about pricing. Being transparent about costs and payment terms also builds trust with the client. For example, the total investment for this project is $8,500. Payment terms include a 30% upfront deposit, with the remaining balance due upon project completion. Detailed invoicing will be provided accordingly. Value proposition. This is where you reinforce why the client should choose you. It highlights your strengths and reminds the client of the value you bring to the project. For example, by working with us, you will benefit from our expertise, reliability, and commitment to delivering results that meet your expectations. Validity statement. This section sets a time limit for your offer. It is important because it creates urgency and protects you from open-ended commitments. It also ensures that any changes are properly documented. For example, this proposal is valid for 30 days. Any modifications to the scope or terms will be discussed and agreed upon in writing. Closing paragraph. This is your closing message to the client. It keeps the tone polite and professional while encouraging the client to take the next step or reach out for further discussion. For example, we appreciate the opportunity to work with Bright Future Marketing Inc. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or would like to proceed. Thank you statement. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. This short sentence shows appreciation. Even though it's simple, it's very important because it maintains professionalism and leaves a positive impression. Closure. For example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off. It signals the end of the proposal and keeps everything professional. Signature and name. Finally, you include your name, position, and company name. This confirms who is responsible for the proposal and adds authority to the document, which is important in professional business communication. For example, John Carter, Managing Director, Carter Solutions, LLC. So that's how you write a professional business proposal step by step. As you can see, every part of this proposal plays an important role in presenting your idea clearly, building trust, and increasing your chances of winning the client. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more writing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video.